Hey, beautiful Pisces. This is your reading for the second half of October. This is a general reading, and whatever the card suggests, either it's love or career, whatever is dominating in this month, we will see. We will also see if there is any guidance for you and mind it that this is a general reading, so this might or might not resonate. If you have any specific question in your mind, you can drop it in the comment section below to get a quick yes or no answer. And the more you comment, the more you watch, the more you try to connect with the reader, any reader, the more they can resonate with you, the more they can get the energy of you. So if you like the reading, if you think that the reading resonates, then try to connect with my uh, energies by dropping a comment or liking it or thinking about the reading, anything. So you can, so so that the reading can be more specific and connect with you. So okay, Pisces, beautiful energy for the second half of October, Pisces. So, first of all, those of you who are looking for new love, this is the time when you are going to meet new people, and the person that you are going to meet this in during this time of the month will give you a very stable and confident and permanent, uh, you know, relationship. And this person will not only give you a stable relationship, but this is someone who will align with your energy and who is as adventurous as you are, Pisces. Now the signs that you might be dealing with is Taurus, Virgo, Sagittarius, and we have Aries and Leo also. A very strong suggestion for Taurus and Virgo because we have Page of Pentacles and Nine of Pentacles. So it's a earth sign, and you might be, drawn towards someone who shares your goals, who has the same idea of learning and adventure in life that you have, and you guys share a mutual interest. You have a very, you are going to have a very strong, strengthened bond, and this energy of yours is very grounded and very realistic right now. And your partner, the person that you are going to meet, is not only devoted towards you, but they are reliable and committed to practical matters like building a life together. So this person will be of very strong character also. Now for some of you, this is about career, and this is about you are right now, Pisces, stuck in mundane life. You are doing regular things. If you are a Pisces student, you have been studying and putting in efforts, preparing for some exams or some job interview or something, and you are feeling a little bit tired because of this day to day regular routine. But the universe is telling you that. You are moving in the right direction. The efforts that you are putting in are going to fetch you long term results and stable results. So if you are not very stable in your career right now, then this effort that you are doing right now, the time that you're spending in order to build yourself educationally, physically, mentally, this is going to give you a long term result, and you are going to get a very exciting opportunity by the end of the month, and you are going to love that. The all the work that you are putting in, all the regular life, the mundane life that you are living right now, you're not going out and you're not doing anything exciting right now, and you are concentrating on something like, I have to get this thing done, and once this is done, I will be like this, and I will have this life, and I'll have this kind of fun. So you're going to have that kind of life. This is what the cards are suggesting. So from the career point of view, the October month is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful for you. Pisces, don't feel disheartened because you are doing same thing every day. And I know that you must be tired because of that, because it's boring doing the same thing every day. It's quite boring, right? You always want adventure in your life, but the end of the month will bring you an adventure. So keep on doing what you're doing. The cards are motivating you to follow the track that you are following, and things will fall into place, and you are going to get what you rightly want and what you rightly deserve. Now, a quick reading for those who are in a relationship and looking for guidance for this for the second half of October. Let's see what is in the second half of the October for those who are in a relationship. What is happening in their relationship and how it will be for the next 15 days. We have King of Pentacles, a lot of Pentacles, Pisces. Okay. So, a lot of Pentacles, lot of Pentacles. It's all about materialistic gains. You are looking for earthly things, and you are going to get it. You might be dealing with a Taurus energy here, and Pisces. If your relationship is not very stable right now, if you're having conflict in your relationship, if your person is not committing to you, they are creating a problem, and you are very disturbed lately because of this relationship, then rest assured the second half of October is bringing commitment and stability and a very serious partner. So they are, if they are acting immature, they are going to act immature. If they are not committing to you, they were not committing to you, they are going to commit to you. Stability is there, security is there, they are, the protection of this relationship is there, and they are ready to serve and provide to you. And you know for those of you who are having situations like their relationship is on the verge of breaking, the King of Pentacles suggests that stability is coming. They might commit to you, your partner might commit to you, and if they are not even committing to you, then they will say or do something which will show that which will reflect that their commitment towards this relationship. So this card encourages you to relax and enjoy, okay, the security and comfort. Your partner will work for the stability of this relationship, even if they are not very much in focused right now. They are not, they are neglecting you, and they are preoccupied with some other thing because of some behavior. Then this means the card strongly suggests that you are going to have something permanent, you are going to have something beautiful and reliable and financially secure. Okay, it's all about the Pentacles, is all about money. I'm very sure that your financial situation, Pisces, in the month second half of October is going to boom. You will be surprised, you will be getting money, a lot of money, and you won't even know from where. It might be you might end up with a partner which who is rich, who has a lot of money, or and if they don't have, they might make a lot of money and you will get a share of that. Or you might be looking for something, you were jobless right now, you're unemployed right now, and you were waiting for some call or some offer, and you're going to get that. The end of the October is going to bring financial abundance, love, stability, commitment, and whatnot. Your October second half is full of positivity, and like I always say that if you see something positive, if you hear something positive, then keep that positive attitude and have this thing in your mind that I'll have it, I claim this energy, I want this energy, I have this energy. The moment you will start claiming it, you'll start getting it. And don't let negativity come close to you, because this takes away all the blessings that are coming, it will take it away from you. So embrace yourself. The second of October is going to fill your life with love, abundance, riches, and what else you want. Whatever you want will be there. Okay, Pisces.